Kinsa is who. Ni tudlo, taught. Nimo is you. Ana means that. So maybe the teacher, or in this case, the teacher wants to know who taught you whatever that is, okay, about that thing or about something. So Anna here, she's referring to something, okay? Who taught you that? Kinsay nitudlo nimo Ana, or kinsa nitudlo nimo Ana? Who taught you that? Let's go to the present tense. Nagtudlo, teaching. Nagtudlo, teaching. Our example, nagtudlo ko sa ABC school. Nagtudlo ko sa ABC school. So, I'm teaching at ABC school. Nagtudlo, teaching. Ko is I, sa is at, and then where? ABC school. Let's go to the future tense. Magtudlo or motudlo. Will teach. Magtudlo siya sa sunod semester. Magtudlo siya sa sunod semester. He or she will teach next semester. Magtudlo will teach. So either of the two, mga higala, magtudlo or motudlo. It's both are acceptable. Okay? Siya is he or she sa sunod semester. Okay, actually here, it should be sunod means next. Okay? Sa sunod semester, next semester. Okay, there. Let's have a quick review. Tudlo, teach, past tense. Nitudlo, taught, present tense. Nagtudlo, teaching. Future tense, magtudlo or motudlo, will teach.